Today we're going to make some Atlantic salmon, and we're going to cook it in the Hot Logic. I'm using the large container this time. It's a 9x13 pan because we're going to make a nice big batch and have a little bit of leftover salmon at the end. I'm cooking lunch for my mom today, so we're going to use a few simple ingredients, and here's what we have. We have a lemon, juice of a lemon, some fresh dill out of the garden, some olive oil, and some yellow mustard. A little bit of pepper is what we're going to add. Keep the sodium down for mom today, so I think that dill will give us just enough flavor. Now I bought this farm-raised Atlantic salmon from Wegmans. These are in individual packs with the skin and bone removed, so they're real easy to work with, and we can put them all separately into the bottom of the 9x13 glass dish. So let me open these up, and then I'll show you how we make the sauce to go on top. I'm just going to use the scissors to open the vacuum sealed pack here. So easy, and they are frozen yet. We're just going to lay them into the pan. These are really nice pieces of fish, and they're really tasty, delicious. The nice about the bag is you can just take 1 or 2 portions out at a time if you want. You can see how quick you can get this meal started. I think they're all going to fit in here nicely. And I'm going to have lunch with Mom, so I'll get to enjoy this too. Nice day for that. Alright, there we go. Now we're just going to squeeze the juice of the lemon, chop up the dill, and we'll mix it in with a little mustard and oil. Let me get that preparation done and I'll be right back. Well, you can really smell the nice fresh dill when you just pick it and bring it in the house. Yum. When you have nice fresh herbs like this, you really don't need to use the salt, which we're trying to eliminate here, and it gives it plenty of flavor. Remove the seeds. Alright, let's put the dill into our mixing dish, and then we're going to use the Mr. Chung method of getting the nice lemon juice out. So you can start by squeezing the lemon. Oh, any extra seeds pop out, just pick them out of your dish. And then to get all the nice juices, we just take a spoon. This is what my friend Mr. Chung taught me when we were working together. Get all the fibers and juices out of there. Better than any lemon squeezer you could find. And we're going to put the lemon from both halves of the lemon in here. Alright, that gives quite a bit of lemon juice and dill. And now we're going to just add a little bit of olive oil. That makes it easy to spread on top of the frozen fish. And then I'm just going to use yellow mustard. Almost everybody has that. And just add enough that we get a nice creamy yellow mixture here. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Doesn't that look good? This is a great complement to the salmon. Okay. Now we're just going to drizzle this on top. Make sure that every piece has some, because it's also going to be cooking in the salmon. The salmon's also going to be cooking in this mustard sauce for a couple hours. Alright, got a nice topping on there. Now we're just going to cover that with some aluminum foil, or if you have a lid for... Now we're just going to add a little pepper here. Now, if you guys don't have a Hot Logic, you can get one with the link I provide below, but also you can bake this in the oven if you want to. You want to make sure it bakes long enough that the fish becomes flaky. It should be 145 degrees when it's finished. Just need the foil. Okay. Okay, I'm going to cover this one with foil. And the nice thing about this Hot Logic is that I can take it somewhere with me today. Just make it nice and tight so the moisture stays in. And I am going to take it in the car, so I want it to be where it won't spill or anything. And I'm going to take it to my mom's. Now you can make this in your own house, plug it in right now, and it'll be ready in a couple hours. Or you can take it along, like I'm going to do, and cook it for someone else. Now we will have a nice glass dish with the lid on. Rick has one, but he didn't open it yet. And you can see that on one of his videos when he puts it on. I'll put the link in my description. One nice feature about this, when you want to take this Hot Logic with you, either the mini or the large size, is you can tuck the cord in and you can secure the handles, and you're ready to take it along with you in the car. Okay, I'll show you when we open it up a couple hours later. So here we are. See how nicely it traveled in the car?
Yes.
You hungry for salmon, Mama?
Oh, yes.
All right, we're going to plug it in. In a couple hours, we'll have some nice lunch.
Okay.
All right, let's check on this. It's been cooking for a while. Not quite ready yet, but...
Oh, oh, that looks delicious. Smells good too.
Fresh dill on there.
Oh, that looks wonderful.
Mustard sauce.
Oh, gosh. I can't wait.
A little bit longer, Mom.
Okay.
Zip it up.